We've all been here before. Bad luck hitting your ball in a divot, seeing a ball mark on a green. And of course, the dreaded footprint in a bunker. We all like pristine condition to golf courses. That's why it's important that we all do our part to repair ball marks, replace divots, and rake bunkers. I'm heading out on the golf course now to see if I can see anybody doing one of those three things. Watch this, we gotta stay out of the way, but we can come over here and kind of hide. Here I am sitting between the third hole and the Desert 9 at Heritage Point, and right behind me actually is the 6th hole. Strategically located, a little bit incognito. Don't want people to see what we're doing, but there's a great greenside bunker over here that a lot of people are gonna hit on this par 3, and behind me, a par 4 with a big green, so we should expect to see some ball marks. Hopefully nobody scopes me out, because I want to surprise them. I think we got a bunker. I think we've got somebody in the bunker. Could be his lucky day if he does what we're looking for him to do by raking that bunker. Let's take a look. There he is. He hit a shot. Hit a shot. Oh, he's coming with the rake. He's raking the bunker. Oh, sir, it is your lucky day today, sir. Without question, it's your lucky day. He's raking the bunker. That gentleman right there is doing good. We appreciate people like that on the golf course. Getting the passes that we signed a little bit earlier, heading out on the green to give this gentleman a free golf pass for a round of golf. Thanks for doing your part. Enjoy your day, gentlemen. Awesome, that is a ball. Only got somebody on the green behind us on hole number 6 on this par 4. He's hit the green from probably about 100 yards out. That's definitely going to leave a ball mark. Let's see if he does good today and repairs that ball mark for us. So far, I'm gonna actually walk up and show the ball mark if he doesn't do it. Oh, he's repairing a ball mark. We got him. I think he replaced it for his buddy. Wow, guys, even better. I think one of his playing partners actually repaired his ball mark for him.
You follow me around, I take that whole pile.
Yeah, exactly. Take care, guys. Thanks again, okay? Gentleman in the blue shirt here just repaired his ball mark. Love to see it. How are we doing, guys? Beautiful day, isn't it? I'm actually out today watching people repairing ball marks, divots, breaking bunkers. I just caught you repairing a ball mark. I'm gonna give you a pass for one of my courses. Yeah, thanks for doing your part. We appreciate it.
No, absolutely.
Great to see. Yeah, thank you.
Right on.
Yeah.
You're doing wonderful things these days.
Well, we're trying.
You're
We're
busy.
trying. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely busy. That's for sure.
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah. Where would you like to play?
Sorry, what were
Springbank, Bears Paw, Mickelson, Heritage Point again, or the Hamptons?
I'll take a Mickelson.
All right.
I haven't played there yet. Right on.
Thanks for your
Yeah,
time.
right on.
Gentlemen, enjoy your day, okay?
Thanks a lot.
All right, good to see you. Here at Mickelson National now, we've got some balls in the fairway on hole number 10, trying to catch somebody repairing a divot. We'll see if they do. It'd certainly be great if they do because it makes the conditions so much better. Coming up to some people on a fairway right now. Sir, how you doing? Beautiful day, hey? I'm actually out here just doing a tiny bit of filming.
Filming?
Yeah, and you know what?
Well, you don't want to see me.
Oh, you look
Pick a golfer.
you look great.
Pick a golfer.
Well, the reason I'm out here actually is we're watching people repairing ball marks, divots. I just saw you repair that divot. I want to give you a round of golf on me at one of my other courses.
Springbank Links, maybe that's
There you go, sir.
maybe a place that's.
That one's for you. It's got my signature on it.
All right.
Enjoy a round.
Well, that's awesome. Thanks
Yeah,
so much.
yeah.
Great. See you later.
Say hi to the camera. He's right there.
Hi, guys.
Appreciate it. Even better.
Right on.
Enjoy your day, sir.
All
Thanks for everything you're doing.
Yeah.
All right, take care. How awesome is that, right? Oh, he did. He did a ball repair. Guy in the black shirt, lucky day for him. Guy in the blue shirt, we're gonna have to do 2 passes. I'm actually out here today just watching for people doing great things. Ball repairs from you two. I'm going to give you a couple passes for my other, one of my other golf courses. So,
Very much.
Hamptons I played 2 days ago in the best condition it's ever been.
Of course, I'll try.
Yeah, there you go.
Do you want me
Yeah.
to take Hamptons too and play it together?
You want to do that?
If he's,
Guys, the condition of that golf course is unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for being here. Appreciate your support. All right. Take care, gentlemen. What a great day today was. Always like having fun with people on the golf course and doing good things. It's just a lot of fun. Of course, you never know when I'll be out on the golf course again. I'd really encourage you to rake bunkers, repair ball marks, replace those divots. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Behind me is the putting green. I'll put a link up here of a video I did previously. We'll be back soon talking about this putting green, one of the biggest putting greens in Canada. Should be a lot of fun. Really hope you enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you do so. Got a lot of fun things planned for this summer. Of course, hit that notification bell, that like button. I'll see you next time.